Hello, hello, boys and girls. How are you? Fine. Excellent. Today we are going to continue practicing phonology. Here we go. Open your book to page 39, Vocabulary Lesson 3. Using our words. Fill in the blanks with the words that describe, mean, or are closely related to the words from the list. The first one has been done for you. Okay, we have here flush. Okay, the word that mean or are closely related to the words are fast and lightning. Okay, we have lunar. Okay, have moon and light. Astronaut. I have captain and rocket. Okay, oxygen. I have air and life. Burrows. I have tunnels and have rodents. Squeeze. I have hull and tight. Okay, please, you don't have to do anything here. Okay, and if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, nobody's perfect. That's why pencils have erasers. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye-bye.